My video tutorial will provide you with instructions to help you get rid of the pop-ups related to the site shoesstove.website. Shoesstove.website is definitely a deceptive website. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This site is deceptive because it may also be integrated into some other junk and even malicious websites that typically are related to some illegal services. For instance, some people might prefer to download some files illegally, and they may see these strange pop-ups by shoesstove.website, and if they interact with these pop-ups, they may actually download some other totally different file, not the one that was initially expected to be downloaded. So these pop-ups are definitely fake and you should leave them. We recommend you to carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start thoroughly researching the computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.